You need to be picky with who you work with as a service provider, because you more than likely started your business to support your family and to do something that you love. And working with people that drain your energy is not going to get you there. Hi, if we haven't met before, my name is Michele, and I'm a certified online business manager, and I kindly kick digital CEOs out of the back office so they can focus on more sales, more revenue, and my very favorite, more impact. Okay, so we need to be picky when we are selecting the people that we work with as a service provider. You do not need to say yes to everybody, even though that may feel hard to you in the beginning. It truly is not something you need to do. Don't say yes. You need to be picky, and here's why. Here's the thing. If you do not figure out who it is that you want to work with, chances are you'll get stuck helping everybody and saying yes to everybody, even if they're asking you to do something that you don't feel comfortable doing or feels completely draining to you. So that's one of the things that you need to make sure that you're paying attention to. Like, guess what? If it feels draining, it shouldn't be something that you're doing, because it's going to make you resent that customer, and it's also going to make you resent your business. And I know I'm not the only one that is saying this, so stick with me here. You need to be able to invest in people. You want to work with clients that understand your worth. When I realized who I wanted to work with, it made me love running my business. And I want that for you as well. And the best part about it is, if you appreciate your customers, they're going to feel that energy and they're going to appreciate you back, because they're your people. They're the ones that get you, and they're the ones that feel comfortable working with you because you feel comfortable working with them. Because if you're not in alignment with your customers, they will drain you, and you'll dread having to do anything with them or having to communicate with them. I love communicating with my clients. I love having conversations with them. I look forward to it because I love their energy, I love their passion, and I love their purpose, and I love their business just as much as I love my own business. And that's what you need to do too. You need to be picky with the things that you offer, and the people that you work with, so that you are getting into the right alignment, and then you're getting referrals for the people from those people, and that will allow you to get to continue that snowball effect of working with people that you want to. And I promise you, God will test you. If you keep saying yes to the wrong people, He'll keep sending them to you to keep testing you until you can say no. Because when you say no to the wrong people, that means you get to say yes to the right people that you want to work with and that provide you that energy and the passion that you need to have in your business. So, I'm going to repeat it one more time. You need to keep your yeses for the people that fill you up and appreciate you and not drain you. So, keep your yeses for the right people and give your no's to all of those draining, not clients that would be in alignment with you, or their business is not in alignment with you. So if you need to get clear on who it is that you serve, I invite you to join the Clarity Muse membership. Now, this is a membership for service providers that are looking to get crystal clear on who they serve, what they offer, and the business owner that they would like to be.